The FIS Deluxe Wall Mount comes in a 2 adapter panel and 4 adapter panel version and holds LGX-style adapter plates. It features a large splicing bay, built-in cable management brackets, cable tie-downs, and a raised splice tray platform for easy splicing and patching installations. Conveniently route the cable through either the top or bottom of the enclosure using the open-style entry holes. The 2 removable doors have snap-latch security and padlock eyelets for additional protection. Ask an FIS sales associate about preloading the enclosure with fiber pigtails, splice trays, and adapter plates. Manufactured in the USA from 14-gauge aluminum, the enclosures are finished with a standard black or off-white powder coat. To purchase the FIS Deluxe Wall Mount, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-500-0347.